than fluff.jpg. If you open this from the sample images gallery, more than fluff.jpg, this is what you will see. More than fluff.jpg. Now I've started again, I've started afresh, and I'm also recording this. I'll share this video with you guys so that you can refer to it later on. Now the first step I will do is unlock the layer. I unlock the layer by double clicking here, give it name original, and it's unlocked now. Then I'll create a copy of it by right clicking, duplicate layer, and I say original copy. Okay, so now the reason I have this copy is if I in the future make some mistake or I destroy this image, I can refer back to this image. And now I'll zoom in by Control plus plus. That's what I've done. Control plus. So I zoomed in. Now what I want to do is basically this image, I want to change this with another image. So instead of these trees over here, I will get rid of this, and I will paste an image over here, an image from somewhere else. Okay, so to do that, what I will do first of all, I need to get rid of this inside, whatever is inside. Okay. And the only thing I've done so far is I've unlocked the layer and right click and duplicate layer. That's what the only thing I've done, and I've zoomed in by Control plus. Now I need to select this area, and delete it. So I can select this via the rectangular marquee tool and delete it, or I can use another selection tools like quick selection, magic wand, etc., and then I can select them by like this. This is one option. The other option is to select them via this tool, this rectangular. Yeah, so I select this tool like here, and I edit, fill, use color, and any color I can fill it, or I can delete it now. But what I'll also show you something. For example, I want to fill it with the same color as the original. You see the original over here, the borders? Yeah, so I have to pick up this color. What color is it? I have to pick up. I don't know the code. So one way to pick up this color is via this tool. Don't do this now, just copy me. Eyedropper tool. What this will do, eyedropper tool, it will pick up the same color. Let's see. See, I'll click over here. When I click on the borders, this is the original color. I will click here, and it picked up the color. It picked up that color. I clicked here, it picked up that color, and then I will paint inside that color. How will I do this? Using this brush tool. You see this brush tool? I can paint this inside. So first of all, what did I do? Using this eyedropper tool, I picked up the color, and then I went to the brush tool and paint inside. You see? Like this. Now notice something about this. Notice something. I've highlighted this area. If I paint outside, it will not go, because I've told him don't paint outside, only paint inside this rectangular surface, rectangular selection area. So this is one way. Also, let me show you. If I right click, you see right click on my paint, I can increase the size of my brush. I increase the size of my brush. It can be small. You see this? Banat, please look at this. It is important. Don't do this with me. I'll give you time, and you can do this yourself. So I can increase the size of the brush, or I can decrease the size of the brush to very small, and I can paint at very specific places. So this was the brush tool. Now I've got rid of the original image. Now I need to copy in the other image which I have. So I need to do that over here. To do that, I can paste it directly over here, or what I prefer doing is creating another layer. This was the original. Here I rubbed off the image, the scenery inside this image, inside this scenery, and a new layer, duplicate layer, and I will say new image. So now this will be having a new image. So here I will copy and paste, and I'll also reduce the size of Mr. Bill Gates. If you see this, first of all, what I need to do to make the selection. First of all, I need to make the selection. So I make the selection by using this tool, quick selection tool. Okay, so I think I need to open the Bill Gates file again. So what you did just now is, after you remove the background, how did you remove the background? Using this quick selection tool, highlight the background and delete it. You have done this with me? Okay. Let me open this again. Unlock the layer first. Using the quick selection tool, highlight the background, delete it, highlight the background and then delete. Once that is done, once that is done, image size, and then choose approximately half the size. I'll choose 350, and the width and the height will adjust automatically. Half the size, and okay. So now it will become smaller. Compare this with this image, it's still bigger. If I zoom in, so it's still bigger. I will reduce it further. Image size 250. Now it's smaller. It should come over here. I'm making it further smaller, about 200. I'm making it further smaller, 200, not 350. Make it 200 pixels, and then okay, so it becomes smaller. Now I will select this guy, select, and when you come back over here to the original image where you want to copy, so I'll just give it a name by double clicking it. So original image, right click, duplicate layer, original copy, and now I'm gonna repeat this over here because I've shut down my Photoshop, and the only thing I'm doing is I'm repeating this. So I select this and I want to delete this. Now this is deleted. Now I will fill this up. I hide this over here because I don't want to see the previous images layer. So I hide this. I've deleted this. Now you tell me what I should do. I should pick color from here. You see this? Pick color from here and then go to the brush and paint it over here. Now you can increase the size of the brush also, like this, and paint it on the scenery's background. So now I've got this painted. Now what I need to do is copy this guy, copy this and paste over here, but I'm not gonna paste yet. I will create a new layer, duplicate layer, and I'll give it name, new image. I'm creating this video. I'll share with you. I'm creating this video, yes. And then now I will paste over here. When I paste, you see this guy is very big. I need to reduce the size. So go to the image and reduce its size to 150. Alright, okay. So I need to reduce it from before. No, do not copy it. I need to delete this. When I say new image over here, I'll copy a smaller image, even smaller than this, because 100% is still bigger for this. So I'm gonna select this image size further down near 100, I think. And let's see, control minus. So this is the original. So the image should come like this. The image size should be approximately like this. So 100%. It's still a little bigger. So I'll go to image size, reduce it to 80. If it looks now similar size, then we'll copy. It's still bigger. I will reduce it to 65. Now it looks it will come over there, but I would like to reduce it further. Image size maybe 55. And now I will copy this guy and paste over here. When I paste him here, it's still bigger, you see. I need to reduce its size, or I get rid of the shirt, the lower part of the shirt. That's what I can do. So delete this, go back, and you can select what you need to copy. I will copy only this. Edit, copy, and now edit, paste special, paste in place. Now I can select this, still bigger. Okay, yeah. Okay, excellent. I'll copy, edit, paste special, paste in place, move it. So how I reduce the size of this image? Image size. So you see this in the bottom it says this is 100%, but this is the original size. This is what it means. Now if you control plus plus, you zoom in, it means this is the enlarged size. So it is the enlarged size, not the big size. The image is not increased. It is just zoomed in. So this means 300% means you have zoomed in. Yeah, so what we need to do is first reduce the size. How I do it? Go to image, size, reduce it to what will fit over there. So I reduce it, and you see the destination where you want to paste. It should also be 100% to give you a good idea. So why do you think it's not good quality?